Okay, on that weekly chart, just to remind ourselves of what's going on, we expect to have a valid breakout above that neckline because of the momentum plot. Above this neckline here, you find that at the same time we have that actually showing on the 4 hours, I believe. Yeah, you have a trigger. There's this neckline here. We may retract as low as you like, but we're just doing a wedge below that neckline. Everyone can see this. It's going to be an A, B, and a C, and a D, and an E. Take time, do that left shoulder. We stand by. We should be affirmed that at the end of that wedge, A, B, C, D, E, because of this momentum plot. You're looking at this is a 4-hour chart, very strong trigger, very strong momentum. And if you go back to past November, we were at the same neckline, momentum failed, and we had degree 3, and the market did that correction. Now the market has simply reversed, testing the same neckline on much stronger momentum. We expect that this is a cycle pitch. They call it the cycle pitch. This time around, after doing all this correction, we go 127.2% higher, 138.2% higher. We know the cycle pitch. So this is a wedge, it's a buy, all right? In principle, it doesn't really now matter where you really buy, it's just a matter of risk analysis. The trigger is valid, and therefore we were looking to buy yesterday 155.5. 155.5 comes in at that point at the top of an internal level 1. This is of course a level 3. The same actually strategy that we're using with oil. If this is a trending market, you cannot fall below level 3. Level 3 is usually 50% correction onto that level 3, 50% between the two necklines. You're looking at 155.30. If this falls below level 3, unless it's a spike and bounces up very quickly, you don't want to be in the trade in the first place, because we are not correct and it's not trending. All right, so if it is bouncing at a level 3 on this very strong momentum, of course you want to be on the trade. Okay, so we check 4-hour momentum, we check 1-hour momentum, and we update the current pattern consolidation. Okay, if we're not yet into the trade, we make projections for next week and get into that trade. Okay, so you can have an A and a B and a C and a D and an E. You're about to get finished. Oh, this is a 1, 2, 3 A, this is a B, this is a C. Maybe this is 1, 2, 3 into A into C, B into C, then C into C. Before you move higher, we would want to be as close to that ending diagonal as possible. But the important factor to consider is really the momentum. So on that 1-hour chart, we are negative, of course. On the 4 hours, we are about to do a 0-line bounce. So on the daily chart, we expect that we are going to be doing a internal level 2, internal level 1, 2, that is. Okay, so let's take projections for the final run if we are correct. You're looking, of course, this is a 15-minute chart. That's an internal 1, 2. This is a 3 and a 4 and a 5. So you just want to project. This would definitely then be the end of the move if this is just corrective, because this is a wave C. So if this is a 1, 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, this is a 5. I would project from wave 3 into wave 5. Wave 5 does 138.2, 155.57. That does 161.8, 155.3 at the speculative bottom of the wedge. So let's take a look at these on the pivot levels. We're looking 155.5 here. That's the fluctuation low for the week. We're looking at 155. After that, we're looking here at 155.11, and of course 155.64 is the month's open. So right now we're at the month's open. A bounce at 155.3 would mean that we are just bouncing at the month's open. It's best, of course, to go on confirmation. We know we expect to be at the right levels, so let the trade run until next week. If you're already in at 155.5, I believe market did 155.45, so we can already be in. We were looking to go in long at 155.5. we should be in at half size at that point and remaining half on confirmation. If you're in at full size, there's going to be a bounce. We can liquidate half of our size so that we're carrying little risk going into next week. We're looking, if you're long at 155.55, you just want to have a stop at 154. 154 is below that breakout low for the week, 154.46.